Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. This video is part of a training playlist which is in the description. These three tabs here are not needed anymore because we grabbed the data from Excel files directly. So we can delete these three tabs, or maybe we can hide these for now. And this is what we got. We created three summaries from this data. Now let's start creating a dashboard. Before creating dashboard, we'll go through something called pivot tables. We have this data. We can insert a pivot table and it will ask for the table range, which is data table from files, and it is selected, you can see. And we want to create this pivot table in a new worksheet, not existing, so we'll do OK for now. Now we want a sales by category table. We'll call this tab as Alt HOR, short key for renaming the tab, and we'll call this pivot tables. Now we'll do a date in rows, and we want total sales, and this is sum of total sales, and we need categories on the top. This is how we create a pivot table. In pivot table, if we open any of these, then it says Q1, then it says months. We don't want quarters or date. We only want year and month. These numbers here, we want to show these numbers formatted as showing no decimal places and commas. We can directly do this by selecting all of this and click here, or we can do this by going here, value field setting, number format, and we change number format like this and OK, and every number will be formatted accordingly. This is what we call a sales by category and month. Let's insert another pivot table from here. So we'll insert pivot table, but this time we'll use an existing sheet, which is this, and we'll do OK. This time we'll create a sales by manager pivot table, and this will be sales person, and let's use country, salesperson by country, and also category on the top. And we want total sales. We want this formatted as this, and there you go. Let's insert a row here. Shift cell downs. So this is aligned. This is sales by salesperson and country. Now let's create another pivot table, which is, we'll use existing sheet and use here, and this will be by country total sales. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more Excel tutorials. Again, this video is part of a full training. You can find the link in the description and save the playlist or bookmark. I'll see you soon in the next video.